Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to log out of your Amazon account from all devices. All right, so let's begin. In order to log out of your Amazon account from all devices, all you have to do is simply first go ahead and launch the Amazon application. Then, let's say that you think many accounts are logged into your Amazon account and that you want to log out of it. First of all, go to the accounts icon that you see at the bottom. Then over here, you'll find an option called Your Account. You want to make sure to tap on it. When you go to Your Account, you simply want to look for the option called Devices, as you can see here. Just tap on it. Now, once you go to Devices, you can see for which service you would like to see logins. You can check for Amazon or Prime Video. If you want to log out of Prime Video, you can just select the option called Prime Video over here. Or if you want to log out from Amazon, just select Amazon. All you have to do is just deregister the version right over here in order to remove either of those devices from your Amazon account. So that's basically how you can log out of your Amazon account from all devices. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.